What's up, team? Fullest. This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Listen, I got time today, okay? Hey, I got time today. Hey, I got time, guys. I got some pretty little things stuff. Well, I didn't actually got a lot because it's my first time ever buying from Pretty Little Things. So I picked up some stuff and I just want to come and give it a try. Let's come and do a try on haul. I wasn't supposed to get this thing till after the 26th of June. And I was like, I wish I could get this product before the 14th, because you guys know June 14th is my birthday Sunday. It's my birthday. Your girl is gonna get a year older, a year of blessing, a year of more opportunity, a year of more grace, a year of more favor, a year of more mercy. Oh God, I'm so grateful. So I was like, I wish I could get this stuff before my birthday so I could try them on and see maybe I could actually choose one of this as a birthday outfit, even though we're not going anywhere. I don't know. Maybe anybody wants to take me out. But anyway, so I'm really excited. I'm really excited I got it today. I've just done filming on this entire face. That video you guys are going to see way later. But for now, let's do pretty little things. So before we jump into this video, make sure you press on that subscribe button right there that says subscribe, that red button that says subscribe, and press on the notification bell and press see all, so when I post video you won't miss out. I do post video Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but sometimes, almost every day I post video every day. I post video for the African nation. I post video every day, and if I can't post every day, then I post Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. That's just how it is. So guys, this is what I get. Pretty little thing. Pretty little thing. So let's just open this stuff and see what is in here. Woo, what I picked up. First of all, I picked everything here. Oh, the way it's plucked. What the hell is this? Okay, I don't understand. Oh, in case you want to return them. Here, I don't understand I pick only, how many things did I pick up? Anyway, let's open because I don't understand. Okay, 1, 2, yeah, only 3 things. Yeah, I picked only 3 things, and yeah, okay, yeah, shipping costs. My head. Though I picked one dress for 10 euros. One is 10 euros, one is 13, and one is 5. I just picked this up just for me to try to see if they are going to, because I actually don't know the size. I don't know the UK and the Holland, so I pick UK size 10. Hopefully it fits me, the Holland. So I picked size 10. Okay, I got 3 dresses. You guys know I'm a dress lover, so I pick only dress, and I pick only black dress. I pick only black dresses, guys. So first, let's open this one. Hey, ooh, okay. Hopefully this one fits me. Oh God. Yo, so this is black dress. It looks kind of big, but okay. It's UK size 10. Oh yeah, thank Jesus. So this one is a black dress with some mesh. So I'm going to put this on and show you guys how this one looks on me. I'm already having something, so we're gonna my fingernails are breaking off. So we're gonna first test this one. Let's test this one. Stay tuned. I put the camera like this to show you guys the dress, if not that you can't see the full details. And this is what the dress is looking like. I love the fact that this is very beautiful. I think this was the one for 5 euros. So this is the 5 euro dress, and yep, it kind of holds me really nice. It's black. The only thing is that your girl does not have a lot of chest here, and this is like falling out, but I don't mind. Like, I don't mind also this falling out. Not that because I don't have a lot of chest, it's kind of crazy. You have this which you can tie. I don't know, you can tie it here. Is it meant to tie here? All of you fashion, you people that know fashion, please tell me. Or is it just meant to tie it like this? Cause yeah, but this is good. This is size 10 size. Tell me what you guys think of it. I really like it. It's really nice, guys. This is beautiful. I think I got a dress for my birthday. I got one dress. This is so cool. It has this elastic here. This is really cool. This is like cool. Hey, cool. Hey. I love it. Oh, I can't. Just that I don't have so much chest. I wish my chest would have been like this. But anyway, we'll get there. But anyway, this is good. This is pretty long. So now we're going to test the next dress and see how it looks. I can't wait to just like pictures snatch. So this is the other black dress. I think I do have something like this, but that one is pretty long. This one's supposed to be also very long. When I saw it on the model, it was long, but for me it's perfect the way it is. It also have this like nets something, which is also like gathered at the front and at the back. So this is what, oh yeah, this is what this one look like. I think that this is split because it's so black, you guys can't see it good, but it's really nice. And it's just, I love how it holds me here. So now I know my size is size 10, UK size 10. This dress is beautiful, guys. They're really beautiful, and I got them so cheap. Like I used to buy Salon and all those kind of things where you get one dress 50 euros. Look like I'm doing switch. I'm going to switch because this is good. I'm not really a fashionist girl, so for me to get this thing is beautiful. And I also pick up some stuff. I just want to bring this one quick. I pick up this blazer from the outlet store, and I feel like these two combined together. Okay, if it's not good, you guys that do fashion, please tell me. But I feel like these two combined, I can really. This one has a pocket as well. It has a pocket with a very nice black shoes. I feel like you are good to go. But if you guys think this is not it, for you guys that do fashion, it's just coming to my head now. I'm not a fashionista, but you guys that do fashion, let me know what you think. I feel like this is so beautiful. This is really nice. I really love this dress. It's my birthday. Go party. It's my birthday. Hey, it's my birthday. Yeah, I really kind of like it. You know, it's very beautiful. So guys, this one is longy. This one is long, but I like it. I do. But this one, and you also have to tie it to the neck. I don't feel like this one you can leave it like this and put the neck, the rope inside and wear it like this. But if you feel like I don't feel secure, you can tie it up like this. You can tie it like this. But for me, if I'm going to wear it, I think I'm just going to pull the rope inside. It's going to hang inside. Yeah, I feel like the rope is just going to, okay, the rope is just like, okay, put it straight. I think I'm going to just put the rope like this. I love the black dresses. They're really nice, really beautiful. Yeah, it was my first order, first time, and I get it correct. Okay, I feel like this line here is not matching up with the one inside, but it's okay. So guys, this is my Prettylittlething order. Tell me, what do you guys think? It's just street stuff, and they're really cheap. Of course, you have to pay shipping, but I can't wait to get more stuff from there because I really love 8. I really love how this one is looking. And you guys know I love dresses. I'm not really a jean kind of person. Some of you guys were like, I only have like few jeans and I barely wear jeans. It's more like dressings or leggings. Those are my kind of stuff. But I really love how this dresses. I love both of the dresses. I love all 3 of them. They look really beautiful and really, really nice. So guys, this is long. This is like long. But yeah, I feel kind of glamorous. I feel like I'm gonna wear something like this. We're gonna take a birthday picture. I'm gonna put like Makeup Revolution Body Glow, and then brush it, and then like just take pictures. Hey. Just take pictures. But yeah, I really love all 3 of them. They look really, really beautiful, really amazing. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. I don't have a lot on the chest, so yeah. But I this one feels really secure. The rope here feels really secure. So I love it, guys. So these are all the dresses that I picked up. So, guys, I really want to know what you all think of these dresses. It's just that I picked all of them. They were black, and that's just what I wanted at the moment. I wanted to try the company. I wanted to try it. I wanted to see if they're going to deliver on time. The delivering date was fast, because the time they give me and the time I receive it, it is super fast. I'm pretty excited. And they're not really cheap. They're not really expensive. It's like the most expensive one was 13 euros. That was because they have sales. So I bought one for 11 euros, one for 13 euros, and one for 5 euros. I know this black dress, the first one I tried, this one was the one I picked up for 5 euros. And I think either this one was the one that I picked up for 11 euros, and I guess this one was the one I picked up for 13 euros. But these are all the dresses. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like the dresses? Do you think they look nice? Maybe I'll do more other, but for now, let's just wear this one we have, and maybe let's see when everything goes back to normal and then people start going out, because now it's like everywhere there's nowhere to go. You can go out, but it's not as fun as it used to be, because yeah, you can't socialize a lot with friends. So yeah, and I still haven't done my nails, because my plan was to get my nail fixed for my birthday, but yeah, the nail shops are still closed. So I bought some fake nails there. Maybe I'm going to put those one on and just get some really nice birthday pictures, cook something at home with family, and just sit down and relax and eat if I can't go outside and have fun. But anyway, I'm very grateful for life. I'm grateful for family. I'm grateful for you guys. I'm grateful for you guys as well. Very grateful for you guys, because you guys also help me in a very big way. I love doing what I do, but it's very great to have people that support you and appreciate what you do, and I really appreciate you guys. So guys, this is it. Let me know what you think about my Prettylittlething haul. If you guys have any question, let me know in the comments box. If you guys have any other store that maybe you guys want me to try that is not expensive, let me know in de comment box, oké? Dankjewel voor kijken en vergeet niet te abonneren. Als je vragen hebt, laat me weten in de comment box. En als je alle informatie staat in de beschrijvingsbox. Pardon? Sorry, excuse me. So, I don't know how I'm going to get the link to put it in the comment box, in the beschrijvingsbox, but I'll try it in the description box, sorry. I'll try to see if I can get the links of these dresses and put it down for you in case any of you guys want to. But if I can't find it, if you guys are interested, leave a comment and I'll try and put it down for you in the comment box. This is again Amy. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Team Fullest. Peace out. Doeg. Bye bye.